I'm in Hong Kong right now. Welcome back to the Hong Kong vlogs. Why does my face look so puffy, man? That sucks. Got in at like 1:30 last night, slept at 2:30. It's a pretty small room. Let's give you a tour. That's the door. Big mirror here. You walk in. That's the room. That's it. You come here. There's the washroom. There's a like low tub here, so kudos to their efforts. You come here. The minibar area. But look at the water bottles. I like them. Carried my own food because I'm vegetarian. Wait, by the way, in my previous video somebody was like, oh, you have too many food problems. Dude, make a video about it or something. I don't. It's just vegetarian. It's not that big of a deal. And I'm open to trying new things. But if you want a video, let me know how to be vegetarian and travel internationally in different countries. I can maybe add up my tips. Let me know in the comments below. Anyways, I've got these kimchi noodles. This is vegetarian. The noodles have a sticker with English, which says its ingredients. I got these from Singapore, like the 7-Eleven kind of market. So this is kimchi noodles. Then I've got these noodles. Don't know what they say, but the sticker with the ingredients had nothing non-veg in it. So that. Then to have some variety, I have the Maggi 5-minute mashed potatoes with sour cream and croutons. And I have the Maggi 5-minute pasta, which is a spicy Alfredo fusilli. Looks interesting. I think I'm gonna have this for breakfast. So healthy, right? Yum. Why is somebody... There's a baby. Can you hear a baby? Anyways, so you walk in and that's the bedroom. I think the bed constitutes most of the bedroom. I've gotten my snack bag there, which I always carry. This is here. The iron is there because they just didn't have space, I guess. I feel cold, so I had to take the second blanket. Look at the size of the TV, okay? It's the size of my arm. I mean, I'm not saying, oh my god, such a small TV, but like, I've not seen that in hotels. Then, we had macaroons. Wait, we had macaroons last night. I ate one. It was a green tea one. Too sweet, man. But, yeah, this is that. We, by the way, have a drink coupon. I'm so excited for it. I'll have like coffee or something. Anyways, do you want to see the view? I've not seen the view. I'm like, what a view, guys. It's so beautiful. Look. Wow. Hi, Hong Kong. Good morning. Ugh. I think I'd rather keep it shut. The reason I've gotten up so early is because I'm going out with my crew to this place which is like maybe far off. I asked her how far. She said maybe 1 hour. I'm like, that's not far. In Delhi, like 1 hour is minimum if you want to go anywhere. Wow, my face looks too puffy, man. I just woke up, okay? So, we are going to... So, what the hell? We are going to something that's called Dragon's Tail. And guys, from all the videos that I watched of Hong Kong, there was literally nothing that excited me. So I just carried like the most basic dress because I thought I'm gonna be walking around by myself, and that's like the most basicest, boringest dress, and I'm so sad about that. Why did I carry something exciting? Because the photos would look so good at the Dragon's Tail, but look at me, I don't have that. So gonna have to do like some nice makeup to make up for the lack of interestingness on the dress. You can always make up for a lack of outfit or something like that with your attitude. That's correct. So let's get ready. So I think I got this outfit to look a bit more interesting. Actually, this looks really interesting right now, and I was actually kind of starting to not like this dress anymore and want to do a DIY on this. If you watched my closet tour, you must have heard that. But dude, not bad. Come on. I think it looks good, and I've still not put on my lip gloss, and these shoes actually make it look a bit more interesting. I really like it. I wore these shiny earrings that I got from... Let me just flip this over. Things that I got from Forever 21 like ages ago. These go with everything. I always carry these. Then I just did this twisty thing and wore this little triangle clip that I bought and never got to wear. Then I'm wearing this necklace. Again, I always carry this. Forever 21. It goes with any neutral colored outfit. The dress, and then these shoes. Now, the struggle. Oh, by the way, I think the makeup made it too. I'm wearing the Kiko Milano. I'm wearing the Kiko Milano mascara with the Lash Paradise mascara from L'Oreal. This Lash Paradise mascara is everything, dude. It's in my favorites video. I need to wipe off this excess mascara, but not bad. I love it. I just did not get a bag because these pockets can hold a lot, but I kind of want to carry my noodles so that when we go out to eat I don't have to struggle. But maybe I'll carry this, but how is the question. I just have like a bag. Oh, by the way, I found a view to show you. Look on this side. Hello, Hong Kong. Good morning. That's a busy street. This looks like Hong Kong to me. Stores and all. I'm so excited. Anywho's, I made a tea for myself. Not bad. Why are we living in an out of focus world? Yeah, not bad. The tea was not bad. I put 2 of the concentrated milk, 1 sugar, and then 1 tea bag. Not bad. I have these mashed potatoes ready for me to eat. So let me eat quickly. We had to meet at 10. It's 9:36. So I'll just send home some pictures of this is how I look. I'm going out, and then probably eat this on the way down. No bag still, but I'll carry that in my pocket until I buy something, I guess, or somebody buys something. Yeah, so let's go. Of course there's gonna be just, hey, this is coming off. Of course there's gonna be phone footage. I'm sorry guys, but I don't want to be the weird one. So my phone is not that bad even. So yeah, let's switch to phone footage now. So we went on to a journey to go to the Dragon's Back Trail. It is a really beautiful trail where you trek a little through the wilderness, and it was not just a smooth way, let me just say that. What you're seeing at the moment is just part of the journey. There were so many steps, and then you end up at this beautiful place amongst the clouds, and there is the Dragon's Back. It was so beautiful. There were so many people, but everybody was in proper workout wear, wearing sneakers, and I was here, as you can see, in flats and in a dress, freezing my legs off, but it was worth it in the end because this is the view. It was just so breathtaking, and honestly I never expected that Hong Kong would have this side of it. None of the videos online showed that, so I was like, what? But this is beautiful, a must-go place. It was so windy, as you can see from my hair. It was crazy, man, but it felt so nice, and it was just really beautiful. Then we took some pictures here, which you can see on my Instagram, and then we wanted to go to this other place, but in between wanted a snack break. As I told you, I carried my Alfredo pasta, and we sat in this place which was literally out of somebody's house. Here they were cooking out of this place, which is their house, and it was like a village. There were Indians speaking perfect Cantonese, just amazing. And then we walked for about a kilometer or something. Again, my calves were hurting, but it was beautiful, and we ended up at this place, which is actually a marine research. As you can see, just a random fossil there, and it's a marine research place where you end up at this beautiful spot. Now the minute I went to take a picture, they started telling people to get off. Here is the proof. Here the announcement.
All visitors should remember the following rules. Do not overturn stones and boulders. Do not hunt or disturb any marine wildlife.
So still on the phone quality, but the solo ride has begun. I am just walking around the hotel. This is the street, pretty busy. Hey, this looks like a nice place. Look at this. No, actually it looks pretty tacky. Busy streets. I'm trying to go to Tiger Sugar, which is where my crew said there's a nice bubble tea. So I'm really thirsty. So I want to go there. Let's try to find it. Tiger Sugar. I see it. Is that the queue? Dude, I hope it's not. It smells so nice in here. Let's try to get some bubble tea. Looks like a popular spot. So my first tiger sugar, not bad. I like it. And I have to use a plastic straw, can't do anything about that, but yeah, it's giving me just Delhi vibes, India vibes, busy, kind of polluted, so it's pretty close to India, honestly. Let me see what else I can explore. So far I've bought a lot of things. I bought some snacks from 7-Eleven for my brother and myself, and then I bought some souvenirs, and it's super awkward. I'm trying to hide the people behind me so they don't get offended. But yeah, as I said, super busy, reminds me of India. Honestly, I love it. I am back to the room and you are back to the DSLR quality. Yeah! So, what did I think? So, first of all, you saw that I went on this little adventure in my flats, my poor legs. I literally wore these kind of flats with no friction on them, and I don't know how I did not slip. Man, that was quite a walk. I know tomorrow my legs will be just hurting me bad, but it's okay, it's whatever. Came back, walked around a bit. I love the city because it reminds me so much of India, because there are so many people, there is so much going on. I just love that. I love it. So I love busy and hustle bustle so much. So bought a couple of stuff. First off, for myself, like, this is the first thing from a layover that I've actually felt like, yeah, this completes me. This little bunny rabbit, how cute is it? It has this little blinged out stuff, so it's definitely my bunny rabbit, and like, so adorable and soft. I'm so happy. And it has this little sticky thing, so I can stick it on a something, on a door or something, but it's so cute. I love that. Then let me just pan you. Stuff for mom and me, brother, breakfast. This is an Oreo phone ring. How cool. These are some Doraemon, like, wait, let me show you. These are pancakes with red bean paste. So red bean is basically rajma, but they have like sweeter version, so I like it. It has Doraemon on it. Can you see that? And then for my postcard collection, in the background of videos, as you can see, Hong Kong postcard. Yep, I think that's about it, huh? Yep. Oh, and we had beverage entitlement, so I got orange juice, and she gave me, like, there's no ice in this, it's complete orange juice. I'm very happy about that. And now I've got a choice to make, which one to eat, the kimchi, Korean noodles, or God knows what's in it. I don't know. I'll read up the ingredients of these again and then see if I want to do a mukbang or just watch something. We shall see. For now, I just want to shower because I was so cold the whole day, so I just want to defrost myself, shower, and just relax. I still have the evening, still a long time to rest, so I'm excited. This was a good layover. I loved it. Explored a different side of Hong Kong. Guys, so I never really finish off my vlogs on layovers because I just get really tired and then I just sleep off. So what I did was have those noodles. Did not taste good at all. I could not finish them off. I can never finish up my cup noodles, by the way, never. They're too heavy for me. So then I have my snack bag parked right next to my pillow, as you can see, because I spent a really large amount of time online, going into the depths of internet and finding entertainment. I don't think I'm still satisfied. Like, I want to do more entertainment searching, but you know what, I think I should stop now. It's high time. So I packed my bag somewhat and I think I should be sleeping now. It's about to be 10:30. Have to be up at 5 to get ready. Let's see the view last time. What's the city up to? The city is still hustling and bustling, and I love it. I loved it. If it was up to me, like if I was not tired, I would be out. Like it's 10 p.m. Can you tell it's 10 p.m.? Don't they say Hong Kong is like the city that never sleeps or something like that? Can you tell it's 10 p.m.? Looks like 5 or 7 or something. Wow. Love that. Look at that building, K11. Wow. I love this one. Anyways, I'm gonna go off to bed now. By the way, look at this beautiful teddy bear. Not teddy bear, it's a little bunny that I got. Do you think? Oh, I've showed you, I think. Anyways, let me pack up and I'm gonna go to sleep now. So see you all in my next video, whenever that is. We're going out of focus. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you did, make sure to thumbs it up. Follow me on my social media, because I be making my Insta pop. All the photos from the places that I go are on my Instagram, so make sure to check that out. I like to rant or share my weird life happenings on Snapchat, so you can add me there, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye till then.